Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Well, children, today we will do exercise 14. The topic is Knowledge Bank. Answer the following questions with the help of the words given below: encyclopedia, embroidery, diary, carbohydrates, drought, dialogue, pest, crocodiles, extravagant. What are designs that have been sewn on cloth with thread called? Children, it is called embroidery. Embroidery is a craft through which they use thread, needle and thread to make beautiful design on fabric, on cloth. What is lack of rain over a long period called? The answer, children, it's called a drought. When the land gets dry, it gets parched, it dries up and it develops cracks. Those regions which do not get rain for a very long period of time experience drought. Which are the largest living reptiles? Children, crocodiles are the largest living reptiles. Okay, reptiles are animals that are scaly. They have 4 legs, but they crawl and they lay eggs. They breathe with the help of their lungs. A plant or an animal that causes harm to another living thing. It is called pest. Pests like ants, fleas, cockroaches, spiders, wasps, termites, rodents like rats and mice, and bees. They cause harm to other living things, so they are called pests. Give another name for the starch which is found in food. The answer is carbohydrates. Starchy foods, children, are our main source of carbohydrate and they have an important role in a healthy diet. We must eat carbohydrates to stay healthy. We eat foods like potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, cereals. We eat chapatis, bhakri. All these contain a lot of starch. Starchy foods means they contain a lot of carbohydrates. So, if you eat carbohydrates, you grow healthy. What is a person who is wasteful in spending called? The person is called extravagant. Now look at this picture. You can see this lady, how much of shopping she has done. She is spending her money. She is spending it unnecessarily. She is wasting money. That is called extravagant, not needed, yet she spends. What is a communication between two persons called? It is called dialogue. Children, when you and your mummy talk, it's a dialogue. When you and your daddy talk, it's a dialogue. When you see Amitabh Bachchan and his contestant speaking in Kaun Banega, that is a dialogue. When you see two ladies talking, it's a dialogue. Okay, so communication between two people is called a dialogue. It can be between 2 and 3 and 4. It depends. What is a book containing information on all branches of knowledge called? It is called an encyclopedia. Now, children, an encyclopedia is a book of knowledge. You can have all your study material in an encyclopedia. But today, the computer itself is a big encyclopedia. You can go to Google and find out everything about whatever you want to know, whether it is related to maths or science or history or geography, medicine, psychology, your human body, anything. Encyclopedia also has all this type of information. What do you call a book in which the events of day are recorded? It's called a diary. Now in a diary we record whatever has happened in the day. Mummy must be writing all the expenses. She must be also making notes of what lessons you have studied and what is pending. That is called a diary. Now your school calendar is a diary in which you have to make notes of all the lessons that you have studied. Even your homework is written in a diary. That's your calendar.